Cars are a huge part of daily life in America. But let's be honest, sooner or later, they all give us trouble. The good news? Most issues are common and easy to fix if you know what to do. In this video, we'll go through the three most common car problems drivers face in the US and how you can solve them without breaking the bank. Welcome to DBoss Auto Care, where we help you drive smart. First up, the dreaded dead battery. Nothing's worse than rushing out the door, only to find your car won't start. In America, extreme weather and short trips are the biggest culprits behind weak batteries. Keep a set of jumper cables or a portable jump starter in your trunk. Also, get your battery tested twice a year, especially before winter and summer. If your car struggles to start or the headlights dim when idling, it's time for a replacement. Next, flat tires, nails, potholes, and low tire pressure make this one of the most common roadside problems across the country. Worn-out tires can also be dangerous, especially on wet roads. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and don't ignore the tire pressure warning light. Rotate your tires every 6,000 miles and replace them once the tread wears down to 2/32 of an inch. Keeping a spare tire jack and lug wrench in your trunk is a must. Finally, brake problems. Whether it's squeaking, grinding, or a soft pedal, brake issues are something you can't afford to ignore. In fact, failing brakes are a leading cause of accidents in the US. Pay attention to warning signs like squealing noises, vibrations, or longer stopping distances. Get your brake pads inspected every 10,000 miles and replace them when worn. Brake fluid should also be flushed about every 2 years. So there you have it, the three most common car problems in America and how to handle them before they ruin your day. Which of these have you experienced recently? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more car tips.